Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones when plugged in. Also, you can try the same steps in Windows 10. To fix your current issue with headset, you can do the following. Fix 1. Unplug your headphones and restart your PC. Connect the headphones to the headphone jack when your computer is turned on. If the problem persists, follow the fix number 2. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Right-click on the sound driver, click on Uninstall driver. If more sound driver are there, do the same. Then, restart your PC. This will fix all the audio driver issue. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.